Croeso cynnes yma heddiw. Dwi'n hapus iawn i fod yma gyda chi. A'n tîm ni gwych yn Nghaerdydd, tîm Plaid Cymru. So, welcome to everyone. Really pleased to be here this morning with such a fantastic Plaid Cymru team in Cardiff, which we've got now. The layout's a little secret. If any of you have seen me driving or been in a car with me, you may understand this, but I almost didn't get here without a scrape because I was driving along Wilson Road and I started counting the signs. And almost went to somebody in front of me, which thankfully I didn't. That's true actually. But amazing, I'll tell you what, top of Ely looks just like Ninian Park Road. Fantastic. What we are in Cardiff is the new alternative this time around, 2012, because there's never been any election in Cardiff in the history of the city where Plaid Cymru can legitimately say we're going into the election as players with a possibility of carrying out a programme or a part of the programme. And you know, we're actually saying that this time around. I think if you look at the broader picture, the result last night says a lot actually. George Galloway. You know, people are fed up with Labour, they're fed up with the Conservatives and Liberal Democrats, and they're totally out of touch as well. And we are the only alternative as being the new alternative. If you look at the seats where we're competing now, you know, some colleagues here remember 2004, we were only competing in Riverside, if you remember. We had a crack in the Grange, I know, but Riverside is where the only place we could really win. But if you look at the seats around now, Ely, Fairwater, Canton, Riverside, Llanrumney, Pentirch, Craigiau, Buttown, Grangetown as well especially, we can win seats in all those wards, which is 21 in total, which is an interesting total. 2004 we had 52 candidates. In 2008 we had 52 candidates. This time we've got a record number of 70 candidates fighting this election. We've got a vision as well as Plaid Cymru of a Welsh capital. And I'd like to thank Matthew and Luke for the fantastic document that they produced with our manifesto. I think one of the key points which differentiates us as Plaid is what we want to do after the election is internationalise the capital of Wales. And we can do that in several ways. We want to internationalise the Capital Cardiff Fund, getting foreign investors, coming back to Cardiff, investing in local business. There are plans ahead to get that up and running. It's really important as well, given the financial climate, because you know, we haven't got all the money we would like, and we need extra sources of revenue. St David's Day, what we're pledging as a party is that the council workers will have St David's Day off as a holiday, and we'll encourage every employer in the city to do that. And what that will do, in 5 years' time, we'll invest in the festival, and I'll tell you what, it will start to rival St Patrick's Day in Dublin, and St David's Day in Wales will be known throughout the world. I'll tell you what, watch this space on that one. Education, we're now the second best spender in Wales. Labour was shamefully at 11th. What we want to do, we have an aim to become the best spender, the largest spender in Wales on education, taking care of English medium schools, such as Cantonian, which is very run down in my ward, for example, and also making sure we build the fourth Welsh medium school and open up a number more primary schools to cater for the hugely growing demand. 25% of kids now in Cardiff go through Welsh medium. We've got a plan we have grow your own plans to extend allotments. We want to form an arm's length company as well, looking at renovating and building new houses, providing affordable housing, but with a commercial dynamic, because everything nowadays needs to stand up and needs to wash its face, so we could get an arm's length company which will also produce apprenticeships for our young. Great idea from Riverside, the litter police, fantastic. You know, what an idea and what a simple policy to put in place. A pothole hotline we want to put in place as well, and a whole raft of other things which you'll find in the manifesto. I really think that something is happening in Cardiff, and I think we're seeing great social change in Wales and in the capital city, and Plaid Cymru is leading that. If you look at the communities where we represent, or maybe don't quite represent yet, we are the community leaders. I can see that in Grangetown, going to the meeting the other evening. I can see that in Ely when I go out. We've already got the community leaders in Craigiau, in Riverside, and of course in Fairwater. And what we need to do over the next 4 weeks, we've only got 4 weeks left now. You know, work as hard as we can, get on the doorstep, get on that Facebook, and make sure as many people as possible vote Plaid Cymru. And I'd say to the Echo, simply watch this space, because I'm optimistic that we're going to do very well. Diolch yn fawr.